our subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with your iPhone. So if you have error unable to verify your app, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi and just turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if you still have the server, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so just go to the general, just open software update and just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.